Chip keeps Sosa now being loaded, set, ready for racing. Racing just started with Lacan. Break quickly to start. Running by the amulet in between horses comes Scotts Regal, smart winner. Comes next Chip keeps Sosa. High Money Racing second less, while Gawang Pinoy is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with Lacan says why we follow if we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a length and a half lead. And in second is Scotts Regal. Amulet is racing in third. Moving upon the outside, High Money running by the really smart winner Chip keeps Sosa still racing second less, while Gawang Pinoy is still in less. And at the fourth turn, we have Lacan enjoying a 4 lengths lead. And in second, Scotts Regal. Moving upon the outside, Amulet says with High Money. Chip keeps Sosa. Comes next is Smart Winner. While Gawang Pinoy is still racing in last as they swing to room. Lacan now racing away by about 10 lengths. Amulet now moving upon the outside. Scotts Regal is down on the inside. Last 50 meters, it's on Lacan second. Scotts Regal, then comes Chip keeps Sosa to High Money. Amulet, Smart Winner, and Gawang Pinoy.
Alright, malayo pagkakapanalo. Numero 5, Lacan with Andrew Dolong Villegas. Then masisegunda, Scotts Regal. Then dikit sa tercero, nandun din yung Chip keeps